guys, this is Ashnur Kaur. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as requested by all of you, I'm making a birthday vlog this year, and it's like about 11 at night, like my birthday eve, and mom and dad are outside. They're doing something, and they've asked me to come inside my room. So that's where I am currently, and just a few minutes to go, I would say, for my birthday, and I'm pretty much excited. Yeah, so just starting the birthday vlog, and stay tuned.
Ashnur, happy birthday to you. Sit.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god!
Happy birthday, dear Ashnur. I have one more surprise. Just go a little closer. Happy birthday to you.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Sit down.
Oh yeah.
10,
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday. God bless you, baby.
Make a wish. Make a
चलो
wish.
म्यूजिक लगाओ.
Ding 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 ding.
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Yay! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
To you. Happy birthday, Nanu. Come on.
What? Kudani. Come on. Yes. Very good. Very good.
Softly. ठीक है. बस
चलो ठीक है. Happy birthday. ये लो खाओ. वो हाँ ना.
Dish. Wow, hot shit.
Hot chip. There are a lot of chocolate. और मुझे chocolate चाहिए. और ये chocolate खाऊंगा.
Guys, so we are on the way to the hotel. Me, mom, dad, that's it. We're just taking all our precautions and celebrating it, but with all the safety measures. So we're gonna sanitize everything. We're wearing our masks all the time. So it's all that we're doing safely. And yeah, stay updated. Cheers. Yeah, mom. Yeah, pa. What's up, people? And this is a very sweet thing. I totally love it. Thank you so much, Radisson. So sweet, lovely. And look at this! This is so cute. Lovely. With these yum breakfast scenes. Mom. Oh. Tipa. Lovely. Hey guys, so I've reached the hotel. We're done with our breakfast, and now I've kind of planned this Zoom call with some of my fans who do a lot for me. I mean, I know I'm not able to reply to all of them, but I thought they do so much to make my day special, all of you. So why not let me give them a little return gift. So I'm going to go on a Zoom call with like 15-20 of my fans and interact with them. I'm super duper excited to do that. बीच में ठीक हो गया था lockdown. Everything was fine. Everybody celebrated their birthdays. But when it comes to us and my birthday, especially that month, there's a lockdown again. I know. know. That's very wrong. Oh, maybe we come together. No plans as of now, but that's what I'm kind of a bit avoiding to travel during these times, because you know it's like on its peak and stuff, and especially people of our age are getting it. So everybody, please stay safe. So our lunch is here, guys, and that's the lunch. Thank you so much. And here है mom, dad. मेरे फ्रेंड से मुझे बात करने दो.
वो आ गई मेरे फ्रेंड से मुझे बात करना है.
Give me.
ये लो.
Say para say hi to my vlog. Birthday के दिन भी healthy. Hey guys, so sorry I haven't been able to talk. So I just finished with my chat with all my fans, after which I had my lunch, and then I had all the calls, and I had to call back all the people who would kind of call to wish me. So I've been busy with that, and then my friends, my school friends, they created this special page for me where they uploaded all of their messages and all of their letters for me. So that was very sweet. So I was just going through that, and I was talking to them on video call. Now I'm going to get ready for my birthday, and I'm going to get into my birthday hair, makeup and outfit, after which I'll click some pictures to show it to you guys. Then we'll kind of have a little bit of celebration with cake cutting, after which my friends have again planned something for me, so I gotta join a Zoom call, and they've prepared something for me. So that's what's going to happen. So yes, let's go. I'm enjoying today so much. So guys, my makeup artist is about to come, so before that I like to prep my skin a bit, you know, for makeup, so that it's fresh and soft. And I kind of like to wash my face once, because obviously given the climate, and I also like to moisturize it. So I'm going to be using this, the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. I've been using that these days. So it's like an oatmeal based cleanser, and I really like it because, you know, it maintains the pH balance of the skin, making it fresh, soft and healthy. Because it's soap free, fragrance free, and also like you know, balances the pH level of your skin. So it helps to prevent the breakouts that you have, and it's basically suitable for all skin types. So I'm just gonna wash my face once. Okay, so now that I've washed my face, I'm going to moisturize it, and I'm using the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. This is it. It contains vitamin E, and it's ideal to apply before makeup. I kind of applied it before makeup because, you know, it moisturizes the skin without causing any sort of irritation. Or anytime I feel my skin needs a moisturizer, because, you know, it's really gentle and suitable for all skin types, all age groups, and it doesn't make my skin sticky, which I really hate. So there's no irritation or anything. I'm just gonna take like a little bit of it. Also guys, I'll be mentioning both these product links in my description box below, so you can go and check it out. Love it. Alright, so my skin is all prepped and set for my makeup. Now let's get birthday ready, let's go! Thank you guys. Thank you. Hey guys, so just done clicking pictures for you guys, and I went live as well. I had a lot of amazing time interacting with all of you, and now we're gonna go for the cake cutting once again. 12 baje wali hui abhi wapas din wali cake cutting. We're gonna do that, and me, mom, dad, all of dressed in black. So black is like the theme for the day. Black balloons, everything black. Our outfits also black. So yes, let's go. So guys, that was for the birthday vlog. I had an amazing time today. A very memorable day. After my friend's Zoom call, me and mom dad clicked pictures. I had my friends who would organize this proper Zoom call with special videos and everything for me that were made out of our all pictures, reviving all the memories. So that happened. I got 2 more surprise cakes, another this entire chocolate mountain sort of thing, and now I'm going to I finally got into my bed, and now I'm going to check all the messages, all the edits that I haven't been able to. So I'm gonna do that now. Wish me luck. That's gonna be a tough job. And after that, I'm going to go in the bathtub and relax with my novel and my scented candle. Now, it's time for this long birthday bubble bath. So that was for today's birthday vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much, first of all, for all the love, all the birthday wishes. They mean a lot to me. And guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Being a YouTuber, you know. Also, fan of the week is Janvi Baheti. You had a very sweet comment, so thank you so much for all the love. Lots of love to you back. And since it is my birthday vlog, so I'm going to take like 3 fan of the weeks today. So one is Janvi Baheti. Then the other fan of the week is yes, it is Vaishnavi. I don't know if her name is Vaishnavi or Anurag Dubey, but she's on Instagram as Ashnoor_dazzling smile. So thank you so much for all the love. Lots of love to you. And then we also have Bhumi Jain. So congratulations to all these 3 people. Lots of love to you. And guys, if you haven't been the fan of the week yet, you can go below, comment with your name and have subscribed. So I might take your name in the next video. Till then, lots of love. Take care. Bye-bye.